I decided that I am going to decorate this spine. I used a permanent marker and marked roughly where my handle scales are going to go. I grabbed some handy dandy layout fluid and put a layer of it on the knife. I then locked it in the vise and let it dry for just a minute or two. For consistency, I put the digital calipers to half an inch and began marking some lines with my scribe. I used a little 3-inch machinist square to square everything up. I used the digital calipers again to mark a center line. It's a little hard to see, but these are my lines in my layout fluid. Let the decorating begin. This is a really fun process and you can be really creative. I think it's important to note that the files I'm using are on the budget level. Both the chainsaw file and the micro files that I'm going to be using are from Harbor Freight. I've been using them for a year and they've been working great. This decorative spine took about 30 minutes. Before calling it a night, I started getting the scales prepped so they can be worked with. I used the miter saw to make this mess and cut up brand new acrylic. Yeah, I'm mixing my epoxy with a butter knife. I also threw some black pigment powder into the epoxy and got the scales glued up. Took a little bit of clamps, but I've done this a few times. It comes out great. A short but productive night. We'll see you soon with episode 3.